Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? AOD Block back in the building. We got the XSR here. Today, gonna be installing a few mods. Ordered some stuff, and they finally arrived. I picked up a screen protector and a wind visor. I've already put the wind visor together, so just gotta bolt it on. But yeah, let's check out what we got. So wind visor here is ready to be installed, and then the screen protector came in this. So just gonna go over to the bike. Screen protector goes on top of that. So yeah, let's get started with that, since that's hopefully the easiest, right? All right. So with the screen protector, came with instructions, the actual protectors. Looks like there's two, so that's cool. And then some prep materials. Pretty straightforward. You know, clean it with a microfiber towel. Remove the step 1 liner. Go ahead and align it with the buttons and whatnot, and place it on there. Use a little squeegee so that you can get air bubbles out, followed by taking off the step 2 tab and then using the squeegee again. So yeah, let's attempt that and see if I fail. Alright fam, so next item we are installing is the windscreen. It's an AliExpress special. There are some little imperfections in it. Came with a scratch, but hey, it's AliExpress, what do you expect? Oh man, look at all the bugs on my headlight. I need to clean that off. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let's install. Super simple. I've already assembled the windscreen visor. We're going to just attach this 1 bolt at a time. We gotta loosen these up. That is how the windscreen visor looks. Now, I don't expect this to actually deflect any wind. I bought it for looks. I like the way it looks with the windscreen on. So I'm not expecting anything crazy there. But yeah, that is that's the two items I got to install today. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hopefully we get some more content when the other items come in. Hopefully soon.